A group of voters filed a lawsuit Tuesday alleging they were defrauded when they were convinced to sign petitions to recall Democratic State Sen. Josh Newman of Fullerton based on claims that the petitions would repeal an increase in the state gas tax. The latest of a handful of lawsuits involving the recall drive was filed in Los Angeles Superior Court against the California Republican Party, the Howard Jarvis Taxpayers ASSN, and some of the petition circulators. Republicans collected more than 66,000 valid signatures to seek a ballot measure that would recall Newman for voting in April with the Democratic majority in favor of increasing the state gas taxes and vehicle fees. Having won an election by one of the slimmest margins of any Democratic senator, Newman was seen as vulnerable for recall, which would deprive the Democrats of their two-thirds supermajority in the state Senate. The lawsuit alleges that Newman's opponents could not beat him in the election, so they concocted a scheme to deceive thousands of voters to sign their recall petition, misrepresenting the very nature of their petition as a petition to repeal a so-called gas tax. The lawsuit, filed on behalf of voters by Malibu attorney Kevin I. Schenkman, adds that fraudulent scheme has been largely successful at achieving defendants' nefarious ends, ironically requiring the expenditure of millions of tax dollars to entertain defendants' cynical partisan game. Carl DeMaio, a former San Diego City Council member and a leader of the recall campaign, noted the lawsuit is one of a few filed against those seeking to oust Newman. Once again, Democrats are filing a frivolous lawsuit filled with lies in an attempt to deprive California voters of their constitutional right to recall and fire their politicians, DeMaio said. This abuse of the legal system shows that absolute power corrupts absolutely. The lawsuit has 4 named voters as plaintiffs but seeks to become a class action case for more voters. It asks for nominal, compensatory and general damages according to proof.